Dear students, pneumonia is one respiratory disorder in which a lower respiratory tract gets infected. It is caused by bacteria like Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenza. Some other fungi, viruses can also cause pneumonia like diseases. In human beings, pneumonia infects the lung alveoli. So, it is a respiratory disease. As a result of infection, the alveoli get filled with fluid, leading to severe problems in respiration. As the alveoli is filled with the mucus, so there is a congestion inside the respiratory tract, respiratory passage, so that respiratory movement, that is ventilation movement, inhalation and exhalation is hampered. As a result of which the symptoms like fever, chills, coughing, headache appear in the body. In case of severe cases, the fingernails and lips may turn blue in color because it is due to absence of oxygen in the blood. Because respiration is hampered, so there will be less oxygen inside the blood. So the blood color becomes venous blood like and turns grey or bluish in color. This pneumonia can be transmitted from one person to another by the exhaled droplets from the patient which are inhaled by the healthy persons. So, a healthy person acquires the infection by inhaling the droplet or aerosols released by the infected person, or even by sharing glasses, utensils, cloths, etc. with an infected person. Proper treatment by taking proper antibiotic with the consultation of a doctor can cure the disease. If treated seriously, then the disease can be cured, and prevention of the disease can be done by avoiding the droplets exhaled by the patient, by the healthy persons. We should avoid the pneumonia patients, their clothes, their utensils, etc. So this is something regarding pneumonia which will come in your +2 examination.